Good morning. In this video we will see how easy it is to place the score of your match in the middle of your perimeter system. It will be very simple, very straightforward, and you can do it from the version 1.46 of LDSperimetral. Let's go for it. The first thing that we are going to do is to configure the system so that you can have an idea of this example. We will have output on this display. The resolution of the cabinets will be 128 by 96 pixels, right? And we will be composing a perimeter system of 16 cabinets and so that it can be displayed this way. In this way we will be able to see the effects of our configuration very easily. Generally, your perimeter system will be much longer. The procedure is exactly the same, right? So the first thing that we are going to create is a sequence. We will create a sequence that will be our scoreboard, for example, right? In this sequence we are going to place some videos that we will use this example video, fair play, right? The fair play video will cover all the perimeter system, right? So our idea is to place in the middle of the perimeter system the score. So to place the score we are going to use a fixed image. Let me show you the fixed image that we have prepared. I started with a blue background of 1024 pixels wide, which was too wide, and I cut it to create a blue background with 512 pixels wide. On top of this image I have added a couple of logos, a couple of images that represents the team. So this is the image that I will take as a background, right? So let's go. We will select this image, here it is, and we will add it as a sequence. What we are going to do here is we will say that this is a priority content that goes to the middle, right? Now that it is placed here, okay? And I will say that in the text area options that it allows text messages. The data source of the text messages will be the control panel. It can be a fixed text, for example, where I could write here whatever I want, but it's not useful for a thing that is going to change. A file could be an option, but you have to write that the score on that file, and when that file is changed it would be reloaded, right? So that would be a good option if you have a scoreboard that can export the information. But to go simple, we will select the control panel data source. We will indicate that the font that we want to display the information is Tahoma. We will center the information horizontally and vertically. We will select font size of 80 points, normal font style, and a semi-bold weight. So with this configuration, this image will have written in the middle the information that will be sent from the control panel with this configuration of fonts. So we will save it. Remember, the name is our scoreboard. We will go to the playlist edition. I will remove the scoreboard that I have used as a demonstration, and I will create our scoreboard playlist that will include our scoreboard sequence, the sequence that we have created. We will indicate that we want a shortcut, is to say we want a big blue button there. Let's go for it. And here we have our scoreboard. I will minimize this, and when we play it, we have the sequence that we have defined. What do we have to know here? How can we control the score? So when we click in this button in the control panel, a window will open, and this will represent the message that we want to display in the text area. So if I select 00, for example, when we reload the sequence, when the sequence is reloaded, manually or automatically, it takes the message that is selected and is displayed in the perimeter system. So when the score change, we change the selection of the score, and when we arrive to the moment of the change of the sequence, the score is updated. We can remove scores here, is to say we can remove messages, we can create new messages. It's as easy as to do this. Here will be reloaded automatically when the sequence is changed. You can write here whatever you want. You could create a sequence that would represent information about anything that you may need. The text is not needed, is not a must, that is in the middle, can be placed with wherever you want. The important thing is here that you can integrate information from other systems to the perimeter systems. One of the most direct applications is the score of the system. Maybe you have other needs, or maybe you want to do it in another way. Now, from this version, it's possible and very, very easy. Thanks for your time and have a good day. Bye bye.